Day 27. We're gonna check out a little bit of Red Cross. Here we go. Woo! So the bridge is really cool. He's taking one theme and he's playing it throughout the bridge, like a traditional rhythm changes bridge, which sounds like this. But I couldn't play it at speed, so I had to modify it a little bit for that third and fourth bar when I go up into altissimo. All right, check this line out. This is over a B flat pedal, and this is what Bird plays in the melody. How hip is that? So if you need to modify something, make a note, modify it to make it sound as close to the original as possible, then go back and smooth it out and shed it and get it under your fingers. That's what I'll do with this at a later date. Yeah, Red Cross, very fun tune. This is a nice little workout in B flat concert, and it's a nice little workout on the upper register of the tenor if you're playing a tenor saxophone. So have fun with it, and I will see you tomorrow. Later.